we're here at the home of Jane Butts. And Jane, thank you so much for inviting us into your landscape here. It's just phenomenal.
Oh, thank you.
You've lived here at this historic home for a few years, right?
A few years, yes. 42 to be exact.
42.
Right. And the house is 102 years old, so it is fared well.
That's phenomenal. And tell me a little bit, in those 42 years of living here, how the landscape has changed.
Well, when we moved in, there was not one tree on the front property. They had gotten that awful oak disease, and were all gone. And there were no azaleas. They had all just become very, very decrepit. And so we got to begin and landscape from the very beginning.
Wow, it's just phenomenal what you do. And I know we're an interior designer, so it seems like some of that influence might have moved to the outside a little bit.
A little bit, right. The color and balance and textures, yes.
So I have to ask, is pink one of your favorite colors?
No, I'd have to say yes. In fact, even the room I did a designer showcase this year is pink.
Oh, really? Well, it works well, and I'm sorry we're just on the tail end of your azaleas, but you've got a lot of other stuff. The hydrangeas are going to be coming on and different things, especially in the backyard.
You know, when we planted all the azaleas, I felt like that was great, but then, you know, come June and July and August, wanted some extra colors. So, you know, we added the hydrangeas and added the hosta, which of course the rabbits have enjoyed some of the hosta, unfortunately. Added a few pieces of color here and there and everywhere.
Right, and even some hellebores for that early, late winter interest.
I mean, that is so interesting to see them when it's as cold as it can be. And you look out and you've got a bloom on a hellebore. So anyway, but the hosta and the hydrangeas and then, you know, some ferns.
And then, of course, in the backyard, tell us a little bit about what people might see in the backyard.
Well, there are going to be a few more azaleas, a lot of hosta,
hydrangeas,
ferns, lots and lots of hydrangeas. Because we like the color, and some of them will even hold on all summer. Oak leaf hydrangeas, and you know, just the regular summer big bloom type hydrangeas.
And you got a koi pond back there too.
We do. Many years ago, my son and my husband did a koi pond, and then last year we decided to have it more professionally done, and it has just really blossomed. So,
well, it's a fabulous garden, and I can tell that a lot of your hard work and your family's hard work has gone into this over the years.
We've had so much fun doing it and enjoy it a whole lot.
Thank you for sharing it with us today.
Oh, you're just more than welcome.
Thank you. We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.